Hello everyone, how are you? What do you eat when you feel hungry a bit? I usually cook instant ramen or udon noodle. I feel hungry a bit now, so I make udon noodle soup. I have the miso soup left over at noon. I use it and cook a noodle soup. It's a very easy cooking. 1. Boil water. 2. Put udon noodle into boiling water in a pan for 3 minutes. Boil the leftovers of miso soup. Put udon noodle into boiling miso soup. That's all. Enjoy it. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu. This is boiled udon noodle. This is leftovers of miso soup. Easy it is boiled now. So I put udon noodle into miso soup. Boil them for 3 minutes. This is chili powder, but to udon noodle. That's it. Udon noodle soup has been completed. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu.